Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get hyper-realistic images in Midjourney in seconds. So this is what it looks like. Midjourney is very popular when it comes to generating unique and realistic images. But if you don't have any idea about photographs and films, well, you can ask ChatGPT for more information about this. So to start, you have to first open your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help you to get prompts about films and photography. So how are we going to do that? Go to this text box here and ask this question. You can copy this one, you can create your own. Could you provide me a list of all photographic film types? And of course, ChatGPT will provide you the list of its examples. Through the help of ChatGPT information and by reading this, at least you could get some ideas about film types and photography. Okay, and what prompts are you going to use when you ask Midjourney for a realistic photos and images. Okay, so another question is asking GPT about prompts which you can use later when you ask Midjourney for realistic films and photos or images. So if you think that this one is too long, well, you can ask ChatGPT to make it shorter. So you can ask, make it a shorter prompt or something like that. And then once you get the result that you need or you ask, all you have to do is to copy that prompt to your Midjourney. So of course, how to get started with Midjourney, you must have your Discord account, you must link or you must add this Midjourney server to your Discord. Okay, so in order for you to use or get access to Midjourney, once you are on your Discord account, you must look for Midjourney server and then scroll down and pick at least any of this newbie here, and then go to the text box and write slash or type slash imagine prompt, and then copy paste the prompt that you asked earlier from ChatGPT. Then once you enter that one, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as Midjourney will generate these keywords or prompts and will provide you this what we call hyper realistic images. Okay, but unfortunately I already used my free trial, so in order for me to avail Midjourney, I have to purchase or I have to upgrade my plan. Of course I have to pay for that, but I'm going to show you the examples of um, best quality or high quality images in Midjourney. Okay, so these are examples of realistic images. All you have to do is to type slash, then imagine, prompt or keywords, and enter. And that's it. How to get hyper realistic images in Midjourney in seconds. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.